Hi, welcome to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. This is going to be a brief walk around of a 2018 Toyota RAV4 Platinum Edition. If you look under the hood, we see a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. And to light up your drive on the front, we've got LED daytime running lights and LED automatic headlamps. Look at the side, we are equipped with 18-inch aluminum alloy rims. On the side profile view, you can see the privacy glass that extends towards the back, silver roof rails, and the color-keyed rocker and wheel moldings. And for easy access, we have the smart key proximity key system. This allows you to enter while the doors are locked at the touch of the door handle, as long as you've got the key fob on you. We'll take a look at the interior. You can see we have black soft S with white stitching seats. Look at the power sunroof and a very spacious interior. On your left instrument panel, you have your power mirror controls, lighting controls, lane departure alert, and heated steering wheel. You can also activate the rear diff lock. 2-setting memory seat system for the driver. And on the steering wheel, you do have your audio controls, Bluetooth phone, and voice recognition to help keep your eyes on the road. Part of the Toyota Safety Sense package, the dynamic radar cruise control. It'll set your speed and maintain it, but adjust it if someone slows down in front of you. This little indicator, the blind spot monitor indicator, will flash when someone drives in your blind spot. And then your pre-collision system. This will activate the brakes in case of emergency, potentially preventing or mitigating an accident. The push button start part of the smart key system. In your center touchscreen display, you can see that it is equipped with a navigation system. And then whether you like Bluetooth audio streaming, Sirius satellite radio, or FM radio, we do have you covered. And then the eco meter, this can be a good way to gauge your fuel use if you're looking to save on fuel. Bird's eye view, 360-degree camera for your backup, so you can see debris around your vehicle. Makes backup up very easy. Dual electronic climate control. You can either set it to different temperatures for you and your passenger, or you can sync them together. Down below you have the 2-setting heated seats, perfect for winter. Eco mode to save a little more fuel. Sport mode makes the transmission a little bit more peppier. And if you're looking for more control over transmission, you can use the sequential shift. So we make our way into the rear passenger area. See there's plenty of leg room, shoulder space. There is currently installed all-weather mats. And we'll make our way towards the rear of the vehicle. See LED rear stoplights. The rear door is powered. Now you can adjust the height of this if you need to. And you can see here you have your second set of floor mats. Also you have a cargo net and a tonneau cover. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed this brief walkthrough of a 2018 Toyota RAV4 Platinum Edition. If you have any questions or want to take it for a test drive, feel free to click or call. We're down here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, just by the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Looking forward to seeing you here. Have a great day.